Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Just got my BoxyCharm box for the month of September, and it was beat up, so I'm not happy about that because one of my products was missing. But if you want to hear about my uh, picks for the month and my thoughts on the box, stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Joy. Hi to all my joyfuls. Well, I just got my IPSY BoxyCharm box for the month of September. And it literally came like this with a rubber band around it. And one of my products was missing. My lip liner from Luna Beauty was missing. And I really wanted that lip liner. So IPSY will be hearing from me about that. And you know, y'all was doing good. My boxes were just immaculate. And then I don't know, the other day, this box and then another subscription box that I get from my sorority, both of them were sitting on my porch and looked like they had went 10 rounds with Mike Tyson. I was like, IPSY, y'all didn't even tape my box up. Literally, it came with a rubber band around it. So, really, IPSY? All right, anyway, let's get into the box. So with the BoxyCharm box, you get 5 products, 3 power picks, and then they fill out the rest for you. So let's get into what I got. All right. The first power pick is the LAURA GELLAR Soft Satins palette. It has 6 matte eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. I love LAURA GELLAR, so it was a no-brainer for me to pick this palette, and it is gorgeous. Those are the 2 highlighters on the end. That's the palettes. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch. I'll swatch something for you guys that y'all see. I'll swatch the highlighter in Starlight and the shadow in Stunning. So that's Stunning and the highlight in Starlight and Stunning. And they are. So I can't wait to use that palette. So that was one of my power picks. The next item I got is from YSL. It is their Think Deep Exfoliating Pore Mask. No brainer. I'm always looking for some good skincare, and this is a black owned brand, and I'm gonna always support black owned. And yeah, I'm excited to try out this product from them. I've heard good things about it, so yeah, that's that. The next item that I got is from Nip and Fab, and it is their Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Concentrate Serum. Again, hyaluronic acid is good for your skin. It plumps it up, makes it juicy, holds in moisture. And us ladies with mature skin, we need that. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't heard of this brand before, but again, I'm into a lot of skincare stuff right now, so I'm really excited to try this product out. The last thing that was actually in my box is a Luminous liquid lipstick from Defiance Beauty in the shade Iconic. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. I actually wore it the other day, and it looked beautiful. This is gonna go good with that LAURA GELLAR palette. That is gorgeous, and I love the packaging. So Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's what I got in my box. What I didn't get in my box, I was supposed to get a lip liner from Luna Beauty. Like a nude color lip liner. And I really wanted it because it really went with that lipstick that I got. But yeah, IPSY, do better. Because y'all will be hearing from me. Overall, I'm pleased with the Power Picks and everything that I got in my box. Except for the fact that it was packaged poorly. And I didn't get my lip liner. But I'm going to email them because y'all going to give me my lip liner. I'm pleased with my box. With what I got. And I wish I had got my lip liner and I would have been real happy. But yeah, that's it for my review for the September BoxyCharm box. Once again, my name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. Welcome back to all my joyfuls. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe. Did you like your variation of the box this month? Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have a wide variety of content. I do these makeup reviews for BoxyCharm and the Glam Bag. I'm a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. Ooh, to all my sorors. I do Delta Box reviews. I'm also a licensed evangelist, and if you need any inspirational content, please check out my playlist, Joyful and Triumphant. I have some playlists. I have a wide variety of content here on my channel. So once again, hit that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe. And I'll see you next month for our next video. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye.